Good afternoon, everybody.
Good day, mate.
How many of you remember Arlen Ness? I do. He was a hero of mine. This is an Arlen Ness bike. Customer brought it down. It wasn't running. This has an 80 cubic inch FXR motor in it, and the ignition melted. I know a lot of you guys that work with Evos and Sportsters, the ignitions will sometimes melt away. Let's see if I can show you. There's the old coil. Let me see if I can, yeah, there it is. See the ignition, how it melted. And it had a CV carburetor on it that was, slow jet was clogged on it and needed a new diaphragm. So we opted for a new S&S Super E.
Really?
On this one, and we also put the Dyna 2Ki ignition in the nose cone, static, timed it. Well, we fixed a couple other little things. You had a slow leak in the rear tire and the exhaust was rattling a little bit, so we spaced out the bracket here so it wouldn't hit, the pipe wouldn't hit the bracket. And a couple other little things, but yeah, I want to go ahead and demonstrate this thing, how it fires up. Watch, I'm just going to barely touch the key. Really cool bike. The way that customs used to be 20, 30 years ago. Alright. We put a new fuel line on it, new fuel filter.
Well, you sound like a pretty handy guy.
This has been fun. A fun bike to work on. So, all right, well, we appreciate you watching. As always, I'm Steve Carr, and we'll talk to you later.